Are you one of the 31 million Americans who struggles with back pain? Hey, my name is Cece Cheney, and today I'm sharing 3 lifestyle habits that everyone with back pain should try. So, I have a husband who struggles with back pain. He's one of those 31 million. And early in our relationship, he actually had a spinal fusion surgery, which was pretty scary on my end. And watching him sort of suffer through the pain that he was going through was really, really tough. And so one of the things that we did as we were working on our own health and wellness journey was we started paying attention to practical things that we could do to help manage some of his pain. And so today I'm going to share with you 3 practical things that you can do that can help you get some relief and also avoid future problems, because 31 million people, that's a lot of people suffering. And if you can do some things to even mitigate some of that suffering, well, then I think that that's a worthwhile cause, right? So let's go ahead and dig in. First is keep your back muscles strong. Right? So back pain, I was reading an article this morning about this. It said back pain usually happens when there's degeneration of the spine because the spine is working too hard. But when you build up enough muscle strength in your back with exercise, the muscles give your spine the support it needs to keep it healthy. So yes, I'm encouraging exercise to get stronger muscles in your back to help support your spine, right? Tip number 2, and this is one that my husband has definitely implemented and has been helpful to him, and this is stretching those muscles. So in addition to exercise, the article was explaining that stretching is important for staying both flexible and avoiding back problems. It's also a key part of recovering from a back injury, which is why a lot of people go and they do physical therapy, right? So it's an important part of that. Now, what kind of stretching are we talking about? So the article said that stretches as simple as bending forward and bending back and bending side to side actually are very helpful in the process of giving your back some relief. So just doing a little of that, spending a few minutes in the mornings, or before bed, or both, and taking some time to actually do some stretching can really make a difference. Now, the ultimate stretching exercise is yoga. So, I don't know if there's stigma around this for men, but I will tell you, my husband loves yoga, and yoga has been a really key part of his recovery from after having his back surgery and all of that. I mean, he has gone from using assistive devices to being able to really function well on his own, and that yoga has played a large role in that. So if you are thinking about yoga and aren't sure where to get started with that, feel free to shoot me a message. We can chat about it, and we can talk about the program that he used. And tip number 3, and this one we might not think about as much, and this is all about how well you're sleeping. So the article was sharing that soft mattresses push your back out of alignment. So I guess my question to you is, how old is your mattress, right? Like, when's the last time you replaced your mattress? Is it soft or is it firm, right? So according to this article, it's best to choose a mattress that's in the range of medium to firm for back pain relief, right? So this is like a very practical thing that you could change that might make a difference for you. So you want to make sure that you're sleeping well and you're not sleeping on a lumpy, soft mattress, because that will get your back all out of alignment. So those are 3 simple lifestyle habits that can help you relieve and avoid some back pain. Now, if you're someone who struggles with back pain, then I want to highly encourage you to shoot me a message. I've got 3 more tips that can really help you get some relief, including the yoga program that really changed my husband's life. So if you'd like those 3 tips, go ahead and shoot me a message and I will get that over to you. Ciao.